Welcome to Flow and Flourish. Hey friend, have you ever walked into your room and felt meh? Like it's just four walls and furniture but zero vibe? That was me for the longest time, especially when I moved out for college. My room looked like it was just surviving, not living. But over time, I found little ways to make it feel like me. And today, I'm sharing the few simple decorating ideas that honestly changed how I feel in my space. First one, lighting, game changer. I swapped out harsh white tube lights for soft yellow fairy lights and a second-hand table lamp I got for 500 rupees. It instantly made my room feel warm and cozy, like a cafe corner instead of a hospital. Second, scent. I didn't realize how powerful it is until I started lighting a candle every evening. Lavender or sandalwood became part of my wind down ritual. Even if the room was messy, it still felt like my space. Third idea, wall art. Not expensive prints. I made a mini photo wall with moments from my first solo trip, printed some Pinterest quotes at a local shop, and stuck them up with washi tape. It looked cute, but more importantly, it told my story. Next up, add one pop of color or texture. For me, it was a mustard yellow cushion and a fluffy rug I found in a local market. Even that one thing made the whole room feel thoughtful, like I decorated instead of just arranging stuff. Here's a big one. You don't have to buy new things. I repurposed old glass jars into pen holders, rearranged furniture to open up space, used my mom's old dupatta as a curtain. Sometimes the best decor is already in your home, just waiting for a new role. Last one, plants. They bring life, literally. I started with one small pothos plant and now I have three. They make me feel like I'm taking care of something, and they clean the air too. These room decorating ideas didn't just change my space, they changed how I felt in it. It's not about spending thousands, it's about building a place where you feel safe, inspired, and seen. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing in your room that makes it feel like home? If this gave you some ideas or comfort, hit like, subscribe to Flow and Flourish, and share this with someone who's nesting into a new space. We've got so many cozy tips coming your way.